Please don't listen to him, Dawn.
You want me to go down to the school basement? This way?
Good call. This seems like a really bad idea, Dawn. Literally nothing good has happened in this basement.
You want me to go alone?
Good call. I really don't think...
What is it with the honey and feather traps in this school?
I was right! You look like an idiot, and it wasn't my fault! Oh, yay me!
I wore it better.
Wait, what did you say?
I wore it better.
What do you mean you wore it? What?
Dawn?
So you became my advisor and gained my trust just so you could beat me and Ricky So Pickies who wore it better?
Way better.
What could have possibly happened to you to make you so evil?
These other principals are on to me. It's only a matter of time before they realize that you are the secret of my discipline techniques. You have been a trusted advisor to me, Assistant Principal Derek, and I'm going to miss you. Because I am now going to lock you in this basement where no other principal will ever find you again.
Bad call, bad call, bad call.
Okay, hang on. I'm about to act the living daylights out of this.
Let's just discuss the whole scene real quick.
Hello, I'm Miles Johnson of the rock band Cinderella. I've just crossed the family station wagon into a lake. Just for kicks.
Stop. Dinner time. Can you feel it? I love you, Mac.